Good day viewers, today we are going to look on this equation to solve this in polar form. Express square root of minus 3 all over 2 minus this all over 2 in polar form. Now what is polar form? Polar form, the formula for polar form is Z is equal to R cos theta plus I sin theta. If you check my last video, I wrote this which was under the classification of a complex number. This is the formula of polar form. Now recall that R is always equal to x squared plus y squared. Which one is my x? This is my x and this one is my y. Then if I bring this down to this formula, here become minus square root of 3 all over 2 raised to the power 2 plus this. Remember that this all over 2 can be written like minus 1 all over 2. I stand outside in the sense that this time this is equal to this. So this is my y. I bring in my y minus 1 all over 2 square r. This square minus square root of 3 raised to the power 2 give us a positive 3. This one raised to the power 2 give us 4 plus minus 1 raised to the power 2 is 1. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. R is equal to that. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Then I bring in my 4. R is equal to 4 divided by 4, which is equal to square root of 1. That is off for R. Now, for us to find theta, theta is always equal to tan inverse of B all over A. Which one is my B? Look at my B here and look at my A here. So here become tan inverse of B. B is minus 1 all over 2 divided by A, which is negative 3 all over 2. I'll break this down. This can be written like 1 all over 2 divided by square root of 3 all over 2. If I want to interchange by bringing in my minus a negative sign, that would be plus times 2 all over square root of 3. This and this cancel. Remember that there was a negative here, negative. Here become a negative 1 all over a negative 3. This and this cancel. So tan is equal to tan inverse of 1 all over square root of 3. So looking for this, tan is equal to this all over this, give me a positive 30 theta. Now for us to check this, if you want to check, let's interpret this in the formula. I want to substitute this now 1 into cos theta. Cos theta is what? 30. If you want to check this in calculator, remember what I said, that R cos theta will always equal to x. That means that this is my R, this is my cos theta. These both will always give us this one given. Now at the end of the equation, I have been able to check that 1 cos 30 is not equal to this. 1 cos 30 is equal to a positive square root of 3 all over 2. What should we do so that this will equal to this? That is when we introduce what we call our Argand diagram. Let's interpret the question given now. You want to check, question given is this and this and this and this. This is my positive 1 all over 2 and this is my negative 1 all over 2 and this is my square root of 3 all over 3 and this is my positive square root of 3 all over 2. You want to check now these 4 in third diagram, third quadrant. So the third quadrant is always equal to 180 plus theta. So now 180 plus my 30 degree give me 210. So now here become 210, not 30, plus I sine 210. Cos 210 will give us a negative square root of 3 all over 2, and sine 210 will give us a negative 1 all over 2. So now we have been able to know that this is equal to this and this is also equal to this. Thank you and subscribe.